Hi guys, it's Anne Craft Kimchi. Welcome back to my channel. I am back with a collaboration with Nbeads, and I'm so excited to show you what I picked up. So we are in full-blown Halloween mode, and I am so excited to craft a way for this spooky season. And I got a couple of things that I think are so cute, and I can't wait to share what I got. So it's not crafting without charms. So I did pick up a bunch of charms, and I picked up 2 packs of these ghosties. I love them. They're so pretty, and I just love the little purple kind of like see-through kind of vibe. It's not see-through though, but it is purple, and I just love the purple on them. So I did get 2 packs of those. I got these little ghosties holding a pumpkin, and I think they're so adorable. Look how cute those are. And then next up, I got these witch's hat, and these are so cute. And I think they would go perfectly with the new Prima Luna collection that I've been playing with. So it looks like this, and it has the little loop on the top of that hat, which I love, and it is a matte black. So it is a really super nice finish, and I'm in love with it. And then I got a whole bunch of these resin charms, and you guys look how cute they are. So they do all have the eyelet on top. So you got the little jack-o'-lanterns wearing the witch's hat, and you get a bunch in this bag. So cute. I also got Luna. So if you follow me, you know that I've purchased the Prima Luna collection, and I'm obsessed with this cat. I think she's so dang cute. So you get her holding or coming at the pumpkin, and look how cute they are. And I think these are perfect for the Prima Luna collection. So got that, and then I got the ghosties, and the ghostie is holding some pumpkins or a jack-o'-lantern. So cute. So I love those. And then I also picked up a little patch. So I wanted to do something with these for the kiddos, and I've been loving these iron-on patches. They're so easy, and I'm hoping I can come back and do something really fun with these. So I will show you once that's completed. But today we are gonna make the most little darling little earrings, and let me get these together. And I had an idea, and I thought these would be really fun to share with my friends. So I added these buttons galore and more. I'm on the design team, but I had these adorable little Halloween collection buttons, and I just love like that accent on top. I think it's so cute. And then I made the one from the kitty one, and I love the pop of color from the button. I just think it's so cute. And these are the other ones that I created. I made a Luna pair of earrings. How cute are these? So I plan on wearing these for trick-or-treating, and I thought we'd make one together. So I'm just gonna move these to the side, and these are the supplies you're gonna need. I'm gonna just zoom in. Oh, there's a stray cat over here. So I'm gonna make a pair of earrings with the jack-o'-lanterns. So you're gonna need 2 charms and 2 little buttons. You're gonna need 4 jump rings, and then 2 little earring hooks. So I like to just open these up. I have my little handy dandy tools, and I just like to open up the jump rings, so it makes this whole process a little easier. And I love these. I'm gonna probably gift a pair to my besties that I go trick-or-treating with. So while the kids trick-or-treat, I usually kind of just walk the route with my friends. So I'm going to take the button And we are going to take a jump ring. I'm going to slip this in just like so. I'm going to add the little earring finding just like that, and then I'm going to close up this jump ring. And you know, I wanted to do something a little bit different from like regular paper crafting because it's just a different way of using up your charms. So we got the base here. I'm going to take my other jump ring and take my little jack-o'-lantern charm and then slip it through the other hole of the button. Oops. Of course, that did not go according to plan. It slipped out. Okay. Let's do that again. Got my charm. Got my jump ring. I'm going to do it with my hand. When I get too fancy, it does not work for me. So here we go. I'm going to slip on the charm and then I'm going to close up this jump ring. And just like that, I'm just going to close it up, make sure it's lined up. And just like that, a little fun little earring number. I love this so much. I'm just going to put the other one together. And I think it's just a fun little way to jazz up your little Halloween vibe, or use up some of those charms that you have in your stash that you didn't know what to do with, or you're hoarding. And I just think it's fun. I do have a discount code, and I'll leave that down below. But this is a fantastic way to jazz up your Halloween outfits and just kind of be festive with these adorable little earrings. So, to get the other ones I made. And that is it, you guys. That is it for my little project share. I will leave links to all of these products down below, and I'll be back with another project share soon. Thanks for watching it. I'll see you in the next video. Bye, everyone.